Welcome to the Edge World Wide Web. It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. Guys, in tonight's video, we just going to keep on keeping on. We're going to be talking about how to get more views to your YouTube video, guys, okay? We're going to be talking about your particular target audience, because I don't know who your target audience is, guys. I don't know what niche you're in, but once you've identified with your target audience, well, once you have a product and a service you want to move or sell or market and promote, and you know who your target audience is, guys, when you learn more about how to get more views to your YouTube video, it's just going to help you, right, in your search. It's going to help people be able to find you. And then you could obviously build a list of your particular target audience, or you could, just get more exposure. And actually, while you're doing that, you can actually brand yourself at the same time, okay? So tonight's work from home, online, get paid YouTube video is all about how to get more views to your YouTube video and your particular target audience, guys. So guys, let's run over here to the actual keyword research tool that I'm talking about, and how you guys can use this tool to zero in on your particular target audience. Now, the software that I'm talking about, the platform I'm talking about, is TubeBuddy. So once you have TubeBuddy, guys, okay, there's a monthly subscription to it. I think it's like $9. You're going to be able to access an interface that you can go to and do the type of keyword research you want to do to identify with your target audience. Is this the only way you can do that? Of course it's not, guys. It's 1,000,001 ways to do it. But do you want to go through 1,000,001 ways to do it, or you just want to find a way that you can do it? It's simple, and it's fast, and it's easy, and it can get you up and running in a record-breaking time in terms of keyword research. So anyway, once you've signed up for TubeBuddy, guys, if you look over here on the right, you'll see a little icon, and it really stands for, it's for TubeBuddy. So you will click that icon, and then on the right of your screen, the dashboard and what's on the dashboard will populate on your right once you click that. Now what you want to do is go right here, guys, where I am, to the Keyword Explorer, and you want to click it. And once you click the Keyword Explorer, guys, you're going to come over here to the actual Keyword Explorer tab inside of TubeBuddy. Now, what you want to do, guys, right, we're talking about your target audience, right? Your target audience. I'm kind of slow, guys. I'm not a great typer, so bear with me. Okay, your target audience. Let's see. I'm just doing this for the heck of it, just to see what that brings up. So we're talking about your target audience. Who knows? It's poor. We don't know who your target audience is, right? But when you know who your target audience is, guys, you can scale down. You can really get yourself positioned right in front of them, right? So we're going to use a couple of examples, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Let's put cleaning supplies in, guys, okay? Maybe you're a person that has your own janitorial business, right? And you might have cleaning supplies that you want to sell to different businesses. You know, you may be selling at a wholesale rate or whatever. You know what I mean? You know, that might be the business and the niche that you're in, selling cleaning supplies. Let's explore those keywords and see what it brings back. Poor, right? Remember I said in the other video, guys, we got to play around with the different strains of keywords inside of any type of software that you use. You have what's known as long tail keywords, short tail keywords. So you play around. So in the last video I did on this particular subject, I put something else in, because cleaning supplies is too broad. That's poor. But let's put cleaning supplies for sale. Let's see what that brings back, guys, because once you start narrowing down, you also are able to target your audience better too that way. Now that's fair, right? So, you know, you put cleaning supplies on for sale. I'm trying to think. Cleaning supplies for sale. Let's say wholesale. Let's put wholesale in there, guys, and see what that does. Because sometimes just one or two words will make the difference in terms of what you want to try to think like a consumer. Think of what people are searching for, right? Fair. That's still fair. Not good. I want good. You know what I mean? So let's go here, guys. Watch this. Let's see what this does. Cheap. Cheap. How about cheap? People like cheap, right? Let's go for cheap. Cleaning supplies for sale. Let's see. I feel pretty good about that. Cheap, because people love the word cheap and they love typing it in, guys. Still fair. Cheap cleaning supplies. I'm gonna try one more, guys, and we're gonna move on to something else. We're gonna put cheap cleaning supplies, wholesale. You gotta play around with the software, but I promise you, you keep doing it long enough, that's still fair, not bad. You're gonna find something that's going to, you're gonna want to rank for. And when you find a good keyword, so we did cleaning supplies. Let me see. What else can we do real quick, guys? Something we know people are searching for. People are always searching for movie tickets, right? So let's see what we get for movie tickets. That's not good. Movie tickets. Let's try this though. We like again, guys. I like the word cheap, so we're gonna try cheap movie tickets and see what happened there. Yeah, still fair. Cheap movie tickets on sale. How about that? Would anybody be typing that in? Cheap movie tickets on sale? I don't know. We'll see. That's still fair. Movie tickets. Okay, let's try something else. You want something that people are looking for, and you got to think. Okay, let's really think like a consumer. Let's see. If I were my wife and she was looking for something, because she always on Google, Googling things, right? And let's just say that you had your own consulting business, okay? That's really what my wife is. She's a consultant, right? Consulting. No, not consulting. I don't want to use that because you can have a consulting, but it's for anything. But let's say you had your own weight loss product. That's a good one. WEI. Weight loss products. And that's another good niche to be in, by the way, too, guys. Weight loss. But let's say you've been on this diet and it would really work real good for you, and you created your own product, or you are an affiliate for a good weight loss product. So let's see what happens when we see who's looking for weight loss products. Poor, really? Okay. How about this? Weight loss products, poor, right? Let's put best weight loss products and see what happens when we do best. Because I know people are looking for this. Poor still. Best weight loss products. Let's try some other stuff online. Best weight loss, that should be good. Come on, man. Very good. Okay. And this is what you got to do, guys. Okay. Because you got to think like a consumer. And as you can see, I played around with a few words. And when I put best weight loss products online, now we up to a very good score. And what you would do is you would do multiple videos on the best weight loss products online, right? Or you would find other strains of keywords and do videos based on those keywords online. And over time, guys, you're going to be able to get more views to your YouTube videos. Why would you want to get more views to your YouTube videos? Because more views translates into more exposure. More exposure can be great for your brand. Why is that good? Because if you have a brand and you sell products and services, guys, you can move far more when you increase the amount of exposure you're getting to yourself, your videos, and your particular brand. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video tonight. I'm going to keep doing this, and as I'm doing it, guys, I'm going to come back and revisit the actual keywords that I'm trying to rank for, that this keyword explorer is telling me are good or very good keywords, which are the only ones I'm using, and if I am in fact getting more views to my YouTube video. And if you see that happening, guys, then you know that you can use the same keyword explorer software inside of TubeBuddy to get more views to your YouTube video too. Okay, for all you guys who are on my channel, you're finding me for the first time and you're looking for different ways to work from home and get paid online, that's all I ever talk about, guys. You might want to subscribe to my Work From Home Online and Get Paid 7-hour work week newsletter. You'll find a link to it right below in the YouTube video description area. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you being on this one. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett. Wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.